Tyrel Britton. I'm 29 years old from Monroe, Louisiana. I started here 7 years ago in 2016, and it's been a blessing since I've been here. So it's like 4 or 5 of us in the shop. So we all do, you know, one car here, one car there, one car there. But we need help with each other. We'll jump on the same vehicle at the same time. So if it's like tires, brakes and rotors or oil change, it'll be at least 2 of us on there. So while the dude's doing the tires, I'll do like the brakes and rotors and I get the oil change done. It's a little 10 right here, Bill. What we're doing is we're just taking down the catalyst converter. Catalyst converter is clogged up. So these are the O2 sensors. They're your oxygen sensors. To the engine, it breathes straight through and it measures the air that comes in and out of the catalyst converter. You don't mind giving me a help there, Bill? What would I tell myself 7 years ago? I was like, hey man, this right here, this is a dream. Cause I mean, not everybody gets this job. I became a technician within a year of working here, and I tell you, man, it's been a blessing, and I really do appreciate each and every person that works here. This button right here lowers it down. Get up here to check the oil. I always check your oil on every vehicle. That's filled up right there. Whew, she's thirsty. It's a laid back shop, but we get in here and we do what we're supposed to do. We don't BS around. We actually get in here and get everything knocked out. We don't play around. If somebody comes in here, we right on it, get it on out.